Hello everyone. Today we solve this type of problem. 81 square plus 49 square plus 16 to the power 4 divided by 2 root over. How to solve it? Then find the values. Solution. Root over of 81 square plus 49 square plus 16 to the power 4 divided 2. Yes, this is equal to root over of, this is 9 square is 81 will split in 9 square plus 7 square, the 49 will split in 7 square plus 16 to the power 4 divided by 2. We know that a square to the power 2 is equal to a to the power 2 into 2. This is equal to a to the power 4. Also, we write down the next is a to the power m whole to the power n is equal to a to the power m into n. Yes. Then the next step is what? Root over of 9 to the power 2 into 2 plus 7 to the power 2 into 2 plus 16 to the power 4 divided by 2. This is equal to the next step 9 to the power 4 plus 7 to the power 4 plus 16 to the power 4 divided by 2. Yes. Suppose A is equal to 9, B is equal to 7 and A plus B is equal to 16. Yes, then the next step is A to the power 4 plus B to the power 4 plus A plus B whole to the power 4 divided by 2. Yes. Then the next, we know the formula A plus B whole to the power 4. Yes, it is A4 plus 4 A cube B plus 6 A square B square plus 4 A BQ plus B4. This is the formula of A plus B whole 4. We apply here. Yes, this is equal to A to the power 4 plus B to the power 4 plus A4 plus 4 A cube B plus 6 A square B square plus 4 A BQ plus B4 divided by 2 root over. Yes, A4 plus A4, it is 2A4 plus B4 plus B4, it is 2B4. Yes, plus 4 A cube B plus 6 A square B square plus 4 A B cube divided by 2 root over. Yes, then the next step is a common 2 in all this. A4 plus B4 plus 3 A square B square plus 2 A cube B plus 2 A B cube divided by 2 root over. Then these two, numerator and denominator is cancel. Okay. Then the next step is A4 plus B4 plus 2 A square B square plus a square b square. We split 3a square b square is equal to 2a square b square plus a square b square plus 2a b plus 2ab cube root over. Yes. Then the next step is a square whole square is a4. Then plus b square whole square plus 2a square b square plus a square b square plus 2a b plus 2ab cube root over. Yes. Then the next step is equal to, we know that one, what? A plus b whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. Yes. Then we apply here a square square plus b square square plus 2a square b square. It is a, it is b, it is a into b. Then the root over of a square plus b square whole square. Yes. Then plus ab square, here a square b square, it is ab square plus 2ab is common, then it is here a square plus b square. This one we apply the formula a square square plus b square square plus 2a square b square, it is a square plus b square whole square plus here it is a square b square, it is a b square plus in these two 2ab is common, then a square plus b square. Then the next step is what? A square plus b square whole square. Yes. Plus ab square plus 2 into a square plus b square into ab root over. Yes. Same thing. Here we apply also a plus b whole square. Yes. Or x plus y whole square. It is x square plus y square plus 2 into xy. We apply here. This is all total. Is we take also x is equal to a square plus b square. Yes. Y is equal to ab. See, x square plus y square plus 2 into x into y. This is equal to what? Root over of, it is a square plus b square plus ab whole square. Yes. Or we write it down is equal to root over of what? X square plus y square plus 2 into x into y is equal to x plus y whole square root over. Yes. Then this square and square root is cancelled, is equal to x plus y. Then what is x plus y? We take x plus y is equal to x is equal to a square plus b square and y is equal to a plus b. Sorry, a into b. Then a square plus b square plus ab. Yes. What we take? We take a is equal to 9. The value of a is equal to 9. B is equal to 7 and a plus b is equal to 16. We apply on here. We apply here the value a is equal to 9, b is equal to 7. It is 9 square plus 7 square plus 9 into 7 is equal to 9 square, it is 81 plus 7 square, it is 49 9 into 7, 63 is equal to, it is 193. The answer is what? 9 plus 1, 10 plus 3, 13, 3 carry 1, 8 plus 1, 9, 9 plus 4, it is 13, 13 plus 6, it is 19, 139. This is the answer of that questions. The answer of these questions is what? 193. Okay. Thank you everyone. Subscribe my channel to see this type of video.